What's up, traders? Welcome to live trading session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Hopefully that everybody is prepared for this session. Today is almost the month is over. There is a new trading week. We might see incredible trading opportunity, as you have seen that the market is picking up. The trend is changing because of the monthly close is coming, and there are quite a few high impact news released this week. So this session going to be very important and valuable. Make sure you stick till the end, and also don't forget to smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So we'll be doing live session with an extended period of time. If any pairs that you want to know about, if any analysis you want to request, you can do it on your chat area. I'll look at it, I'll discuss everything, and I'll cover most of the pairs, almost all the pairs that you have seen on this list, including gold, euro, dollar, Gbpusd. So I would request you to be a little bit patient because I have to do one by one. So your turn will come if you have any specific request for any currency pairs. So make sure you participate on the chat section so that I know what you are up to, and we can share together all the knowledge, everything you want to know from this live session. So I saw that PKD, hello sir, Raspin, hello coach Saeed, entertainment, grandson. Hi, let's today start with Gbpusd AUDUSD. We'll look at it. Pure FX, good afternoon. Jabir Shah, hi sir, how are you? Saeed Sakib, oil please. So let's begin with as the first request on Gbpusd and Aussie dollar. Now Aussie dollar, as you have seen that it's bullish, as I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast also. So let's see a quick look at the overall picture. This is how you have to analyze when you start your trading day. Whatever currency pair you are trading, whatever time frame you are trading, you always need to look at the higher time frame. So let's say if you are trading on 15 minutes, okay, then at least you should look at the daily chart. Okay, it's very important, daily chart. So what you look at on daily chart, direction of the trend and price action pattern. Okay, it's very important. Let's say, why do you need to look at, for example, if you saw that previous day there was a let's say a hanging man you found in a level of resistance. Okay, so today as soon as the market open, you can expect this price to come down. So if you are trading on even 15 minutes, you need to consider selling instead of buying, because you saw that there is a price action that showing on the daily time frame a hanging man on a resistance. Let's say in a downtrending market, that's a very possibility that the price will drop. So your bias should be on selling rather than buying. So that's why whatever time frame you are trading, you have to first look at bigger picture. With that being said, let's begin with Aussie dollar. First of all, what I see, first thing is the news release. Very important that you keep eye on news release, because what I have seen in my long experience is that price moves based on news release, and this is the fundamental part. Most people don't understand this. Most people might offer you something like COT data or some other fundamentals, but what I have seen is that, let's say on 1st of June, Wednesday, there is Aussie dollar news release. So Aussie dollar will behave in a certain way until news release, or maybe a day before or after news release. So with that being said, because there is a news release on Wednesday 11:30 a.m. in Sydney time, so it's Australian dollar in Australian time is in the morning. So looks like that Aussie, and that day is the monthly candle close. So Aussie dollar looks like bullish. So I think that it will continue to bullish until news release or candle close. So That with that being said, you see that Aussie dollar, this is 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour we see a bullish market. Now let's begin a higher time frame, and then I will come back to this zone and to give you a possible buying opportunity where we can buy it. So going to the monthly time frame to see a bigger picture. Now first of all, see, this is Aussie dollar. Now what do you see? That the price, you see, came back from a very bottom. This is a, if you draw a level of support here, you see, now you can find a correlation here. If you see the bigger picture, what you see is basically an inverted head and shoulder on the month. You can see that this is a monthly, it's a global picture. Okay, it doesn't mean that you will trade on this, but you will see a bias based on this monthly time frame. Now what, with that being said, that means that this monthly candle will have some momentum to the upside. Okay, so even after this closing, we might see a momentum to the upside, because the way the candle is closing is the price, you see there is a trend line here on the monthly, and the price broke this trend line to the downside, and from this level of support we saw that a strong bounce to the upside. So that means that upon candle close we might see a little bit of push to the upside, at least to the high of the monthly or this liquidity zone. Why? Because you see this zone is where there is quite a few monthly opening and close, and also this current month's high is there. So we might see after this candle close, which is closing just 1.5 days later, around 30 hours later, we might see a little push up. So we can use that in the lower time frame for our advantage. That's what I think. Nothing is guaranteed. I could be wrong at any point. So make sure you also analyze and also always manage your risk. So going to the weekly, with that being said, you see there was a weekly movement. Okay, this is the big movement on the weekly. Now even this price could go up to test this long wick, we don't know, but at least this is the minimum target that we are considering. So if we say that this is the target for this upward movement at 0.7262, then take our Fibonacci, okay, and see what level is this one. So this is how you will use Fibonacci. You see, this is trading view, this is Fibonacci symbol. If you wanna take it from here, you can get it here as well on the trading view, or whatever platform you are using, you should find the Fibonacci. So take your Fibonacci. So when you see a Fibonacci move like that, this is a retracement. To measure the retracement, default Fibonacci, place it, this is the start of the move, okay, to the end of the move, and what you see, the price just crossed this 38.2% Fibonacci level, right? So, and this one is just above 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci. So the reason we are checking Fibonacci, that if it is a retracement, then we can consider that this could be the limit, let's say, because in most cases this is what happened. So that means that the prices still have potential to go up, to go to this zone. This is a golden zone. Okay, so that means that in terms of Fibonacci also, the price still have flexibility to move up. Now weekly, monthly, we saw a bullish price action. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame to see what's happening. Now daily, you see the price, this is the level that we talk about. This is where there is a daily resistance here. You see, this is exactly the daily resistance, and if you look at the past, the same level acted in many areas. Resistance here, also resistance here. This is daily chart resistance here. So this is a very recently daily resistance. We saw that this is where the 20 period moving average crossed the daily candle and then closed back below. So this level could be really good as significant. I think that the price will go there, will test this one, then look at, see how we can trade. Now go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour, see the price is, look at the green candle. That's how you will understand the price action. It's very important that you always understand price action, how it works. See, upon this consolidation, you see the price broke above, and every time the price is creating series of higher lows. So when this candle was forming, it was in live stream as well. That's what we talk about, that the price, if the price is a double doji here, and as soon as the double doji closed, we saw a push up. So now, you know, if anyone is an aggressive trader, I think that if this one creates a doji, even there is a chance of buying from here. But what I think the best place will be is to wait for a significant retracement like this one here. Okay, couple of dojis, maybe slow retracement, couple of dojis even coming back to this level. Okay, and then buying with a proper price action confirmation, targeting to this level could be a good trading opportunity. So at this point, I will be waiting for proper retracement like this, creating dojis or maybe 2 dojis. Okay, so that I know that the price is exhausted, retraced enough, like this couple of dojis, something like this one, and then going for longing opportunity to this target. So this is one with Aussie dollar. Okay, so now let's go to the CAD JPY. Now CAD JPY could be a good pair to trade because it looks like the JPY is a little bit weaker. So let's see CAD JPY. Okay, so CAD JPY looks strongly bullish. That's what I talk about, I think, in my last live streaming. The price was here maybe. CAD CHF and CAD JPY said the same thing. You remember when the price was, I think if you are following my live stream, this is what exactly I told. When this candle was forming, this one I think forming, let me tell you. You can review the live stream and you'll see this candle was forming. This is what exactly I told, that the price bounce from this monthly support is likely to go up because this is the monthly support. And look at the price, how moved from this zone. Now definitely for those who are in the live stream, definitely learn it very good. And this channel, the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to trade properly, and hopefully that everybody is getting that value. Now let's see now CAD JPY, what it is doing. Now as you see that the price has created triple bottom, you can say that higher low, and then started to break to the upside. So first of all, let's see a bigger picture, and then we'll go back to the lower time frame to see how we can trade. Starting with the monthly CAD JPY, like the dollar yen, you see the price came to this weekless candle. This is a weekless candle on the monthly time frame, and then from here we saw that this current month the price created this doji. This is an opportunity for a strong bullish move again. Looks like that this price will go strongly to the upside. CAD JPY is highly bullish because overall, you know, since 2020 the price is in an uptrend. So how do you know a trend is up or down? Is from the market structure. See, the uptrending market structure is like that. Okay, always look at the bigger picture for a trend direction. Okay, any kind of direction. So bigger picture, that means the monthly, weekly will give you a clear direction in the market. So this market structure is because the market will never move in one direction like that. Okay, the market will go up if it is an uptrend, and then will come for retracement, will go up again, will come for retrace. This is how the market moves. So you have to be familiar, or you have to familiar yourself with this kind of market. Okay, so with that being said, on the monthly you see CAD JPY. First of all, there has been a trend change here from this downtrend to the uptrend, and then with this impulse, you see this is an impulse followed by this correction. Okay, another impulse followed by a slow correction, and then we saw strong impulse. Now this current month, little retracement, and we see that the buyers is buying again, so we can expect now to push further up, because there is this monthly candle is a weekless candle, is a very bullish candle. This kind of candle is really powerful, and the price is now even above the previous month's high as well. So you see, this is the previous month's high. So then how we can trade weekly? The previous week we saw a nice pin bar is formed. You see, this is a strong pin bar, and after this pin bar we saw that now a new bullish candle is being created, and I think that this candle will go a lot to the upside. So there is a possibility of pushing high. So now let's go to the daily. Now we found a direction is bullish. Now how can we trade? Now we need to keep in mind that this is how you need to be cautious about your trading. When you see there is a trend line has been formed on the daily time frame. You see, this is the trend line has been formed. Let me draw this. It's not exactly, but yeah, there is a trend line has been formed. Okay, now what is the possibility to buy CAD/JPY going to the 4 hour? Okay, so this is what the trend line is formed. This is what we can see on the 4 hour. Now this doji, you see there is a doji here. This doji can give us an entry opportunity for this move to the upside. Okay, like the one that I posted on YouTube today on Usdjpy and Eurojpy. So similarly, CAD is very strong now, and JPY is weaker, so CAD/JPY can be a good pair for trading. So this is how it is. It will work. CAD/JPY, I think that this level, this one can be, this dotted line that I have drawn can be a zone for buying with a proper risk management, and this trend line can be a way to put a stop loss below this low and targeting at least here, okay, to this level, at least to this level, which can give a huge risk to reward ratio trade. Let's see if we put a pending order here, stop loss below the swing low, and so it's almost 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. I think that CAD/JPY should continue to rise in this direction. It may not go like that, it may come down again, we'll test this trend line and then we'll go up. So that is what with CAD/JPY. Okay, let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. I saw many of you very active, very good. Thank you. Write down everybody what you are thinking. Good evening, sir. Mary, Jonathan, hi man, thank you. Jonathan, Shahnawaz, Nasdaq 100, yeah, we'll look at it. And ZD CAD, please, yeah, we'll go through all of them. Gbpusd, thank Martin Alex, Asuk Suman, hi coach. Pure FX, thank you sir for what you are doing for us. I'm very grateful. Thank you, Pure FX. I'm also grateful that you guys and girls are watching this live streaming, and thank you for joining this live streaming. Chendi Agular, hi sir. Gold, please, yeah, we'll go gold, Gbpusd, Euro dollar, we'll cover all of them. Asuk Suman, Gbpusd, thank you. Jabir Shah, please increase your sound. Should be high. I don't know why sound is low. Really? Is the sound low or I'm speaking slow? Low. Can you let me know? Is the sound is low? Now can you hear me properly? Let me bring my microphone a bit closer. Hopefully that you can hear me, isn't it, guys and girls? Let me know. Zabir, please increase your sound. Okay. So Pawan, hello boss. Yes, Pawan, thank you for joining. Joe Gregory Tucker, you're in ZD Pure Gbpusd. Chadrick, do we have any news today? I checked, but there is nothing today. No news today, no news tomorrow. News will be on 1st of June, and then the same day in the night time in Sydney time. So that day will be really volatile, and I will be waiting for this NFP release, and then there will be really good trading opportunity. Gregory talk, hello sir, how do you know if there will be a news release? Okay, so Gregory, this is very very important that I think many of you may not know or may know. So for news release, there is a website called forexfactory.com. It's a free website. I'll show you from first how you will find the high impact news release. So write down in Google search or in your web browser www.forexfactory.com. Okay, go to that website and then go to calendar. Click calendar. There is news. Don't click. If you want a normal news, it's okay. But calendar means where you will find the news release schedule. Calendar. Click on calendar. Once you click on calendar, then you might see something like that. Let me tell you. You might see something like this in your. Also, this timing is important that you need to adjust it in your location. Click on this and then select your time zone so that this time is synchronized with your PC or mobile time. Otherwise, you might see another time. And after that, click on this filter. You see, this is the filter. So before you filter, you might see all of them. You know, if you keep checked, let's say if you keep checked all of them, it will be confusing. You might see something like this. So if you see this kind of news schedule, it will confuse you. So only to see the high impact news release, what you will do, click filter and then unchecked all boxes, then keep only the red one. Okay, and then click apply filter, and then you will see the high impact news release date and time, and from there you will know when the news is being released. Okay, very good. Thank you for confirming. Awesome. Alzaf, good day, coach. Alzaf, Marcy, Gregory Tucker, Forex Factory, very good. Anthony Peterson, good day. The Wizard, how are you today? I'm good. What's your opinion on gold? Yeah, we'll go through in detail on gold. Avinash, CAD Aussie, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. Greeting, really achieve from your class. I look forward to trade with your real account. Very very good, very very good, awesome. Thank you for that. And if anybody want to join my program, link in the description. You'll see all the results, everything in the website. Chadrick, AUD CAD, grandson, which two moving average you are using at 20 period and 10 period moving average, Chadrick. And grandson, which grandson. So let's begin with now gold, what gold is doing. In the meantime, guys and girls, you can review my weekly forex forecast where you will find really valuable content. Let's see gold, what gold is doing. First of all, monthly. Always I love to see the bigger picture. Now monthly, you see the gold is now where this monthly candle is going to close, right? Now after this close, what is likely to happen? Is it dropping or is it going up? This is the question, right? The first thing is, you see this monthly red candle, the price is just above this red candle. It's very crucial where the monthly candle is closing. You see, if the price is closing above this level, let me draw this. That means that if the price, you see monthly close, if this one is above 1853, we might see a primary rise from here. I think if it close below, then we might see a drop down. Now let's see on the weekly how it is. Okay, so weekly, as soon as the market opened, we saw that first of all a move up. Now it's coming down, right? But what I don't think that the price will move up from here. The reason is already first week a long candle, second week we saw an exhaustion candle, third week what we will see, we might see that it will cross the previous week's low, will come back down somewhere here, and then we'll see a spike. So with all that being said, let's go to the daily. You see daily, we see that the price already create a higher high. Already there is a higher low, higher high and higher low. But you see the price first of all move and a red candle, and the price now creating this kind of pattern. So from here I think that we'll see on the monthly candle close, I think we'll see a drop down, a spike down, and then we'll see a push up. So I have to wait for that spike to the downside. You see the price is going in a sideways because there is a monthly candle close. The price will be bullish, I think, but currently the price is going in a sideways. The reason is it will come back to this level at some point. There is a gap here. You see there is a gap here. There is an imbalance, and from here I think that gold may start to go up. At this point, I will not trade gold until the monthly candle close, guys and girls, because you see the price is moving in a sideways. There is no way to trade unless it is trending. It's very important that you understand it. Don't be impatient, okay? I know gold is lucrative to trade, but I would suggest you do not trade until you see a clear direction after the candle close, okay? So many pairs I may not trade except the JPY pair. JPY pair showing a very strong movement because JPY is weaker. Even as soon as the candle close or even anytime, JPY pairs may give a good trading opportunity, and CAD pairs. But gold at this point, you see it's moving in a sideways on the lower time frame. So keep aside gold, trade something else. If you're only trading gold, then in the lower time frame, that's a different story. It's, you see on the lower time frame as well, it is moving in a sideways. So there is no direction on gold so far. We need to wait for further confirmation. At least let the monthly candle close, let all these news release, okay, and then we can find a good trading opportunity, especially on the 1st of June and 2nd of June are very good time for trading. So let's see what other, let's look at GBP USD. Okay, let's look at this one here. Now GBP USD, okay, let me tell you something. This looks like that this is the monthly candle, and as you have seen in my last week's live streaming on GBP USD, let me show you something. This is the live trade from here we have taken on this. I think many of you already joining every day. You know that when this shooting star was closing, we took a live trade, and look at this, what happened this trade. That's what I talk about, guys and girls. That's what you need to wait for long term, this kind of trade. You see, when this shooting star was closing, let me replay this chart, okay? The trade we took, okay? From here, stop loss only 12 pip, okay? In the live stream, and also I sent to our BIP members. And look at this, what happened after that. That's what you need to take a trade like this and wait for 1 month, 2 months, no problem. You don't have to wait for 1 month, 2 months, but that trade is enough, right? That's what it is. Be patient for the right moment and then trade it. So what is the next right moment? If you are patient enough, I will tell you, don't trade until this news time or just after the next session of this news release. Then you will see this kind of pattern again, okay, this kind of trade. And I normally wait for, I told my VIP members also, in the meantime, if I find good trade, I will send you. But this time we'll really find very profitable trade. Now if you wanna trade this NFP with me live and also in my VIP channel, go to my description area, you know, go to my website, see the result, everything, and you can join a VIP channel, learn my strategies. You see there is a big green candle. We have a strategy to trade. This is a weekless WLC strategy in my website. You can learn my strategies and also join our channel. You can check it out. Now at this point, what is going to happen with GBPUSD? Let me tell you, GBPUSD looks like long-term bullish now. Let me tell you why. First, go to the monthly. I could be wrong at any point on the candle close. We don't know, because after the monthly close, at any point, the next one could come down, okay? But looks like that you see this is still not close, still 1 day and 10 hours remaining, but it's look like a textbook pin bar. So when you see a pin bar like that from a very very strong level of support, it's a historically support on Gbpusd. You see this is a support from 2016, and then same support tested on 2019, same support tested in 2020, now 2022. Perfect. So after this kind of test, okay, Gbpusd, now what is likely to happen next? After the candle close, we might see that the price is coming back to this, this monthly opening and closing zone, and from here we may see a big move. A big move means like maybe testing this trend line here, okay, coming to test this monthly trend line, or maybe bottom of this channel. You see there is a channel has been broken, so that either this one or this one. So if we convert this on the weekly, that means that on the weekly we have a move, but what we might see, what I am waiting now is for the price to come back down to this zone, and then we will buy, okay, because this is the crucial point. Because if you jump on a trade, don't wait for this narrow gap, okay, then this is where you will place your stop loss, and that is where if you are stopped out and then you see that the price is going in your direction, that's the most painful experience one can ever had. You always having, I know as a trader I always had it, everybody had. So that's why we need to be very very cautious. Now going to the daily, you see the price is creating every day, there's higher high and higher low. But what I think that the price will do, you see there is a red candle. So basically there has been a trend line is formed. Now with this trend line and with this level is meeting somewhere, right, this point here, okay. And what I think that this one less likely that will go directly like that. So we might see this could go at any point, no one can guarantee, but what I'm planning is for the price to come back to this for a high probability trade setup on the lower time frame to this level after the monthly close. As I told you, see this is where the monthly neckline, right? If this one closes as a pin bar, we might first see maybe see a little bit up and then coming down and then going up. So when it will go up little, come down, that is where the buying opportunity for this move to the upside. So with all that being said, going to the 4 hour now, okay, you see this is where the possibilities. Now let me tell you what is forming on the Gbpusd on the 4 hour time frame. So what I think that, you see there is a pattern hand. Can anybody tell me what it is? I want to know. Write down on the chat section inside this circle. Can anybody tell me what Gbpusd is forming here? This is 4 hour time frame. Anyone can tell me? Write down on the chat section. I will zoom it out, okay. Tell me what Gbpusd trying to do inside this circle. Let me draw this circle properly. Let's do some real educational channel, real educational discussion, so that you guys and girls know what's happening, so that you guys and girls independently can trade even without me. So tell me inside this section what Gbpusd is trying to form. I think that let's see if you are thinking the same thing. In the meantime, let me see, we'll come back to this discussion. Sunny, euro dollar, yeah, of course, euro dollar. Alexandra, hello, we'll look at it. And ZUSD, all will look at it. Khalid, hi everybody, thank you Khalid. What about gold and Gbpusd? Khalid, we are discussing on Gbpusd. Gold we have already discussed. Looks like that it's moving in a sideway. Euro a USD, I will look at it. Bumaya, hi sir. Bumaya, thank you. Trader X boy, the volume is perfect sir, no problem, thank you. Trader X boy, sound is okay, good for me, very good. very good. Thank you for confirming everybody about the sound. So fund is a double top, inverted head and shoulder. Asuk Suman, because of the green candle there. Pound inverted head and shoulder, sir. Head and shoulder. Okay, so some of you said double top, some of you said inverted head and shoulder. Double top head and, yeah, my bias is, my thought is inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so there is double top also. Everything you will find everywhere, but the reason is this is basically creating an inverted head and shoulder. You see, everybody can recognize it. Then why it's so difficult to make money from the market? Is because of the psychology. You need to develop proper strategy. You need to have a strategy. Most people trade without a strategy. You need to have a strategy. You need to develop a strong trading psychology. We'll talk it later, but let me see why I think that this inverted head and shoulder is significant. Is because, first of all, look at this wickless candle here. Okay, so this is a WLC strategy for those who are studying in our lifetime access team. This is what WLC strategy. Okay, don't forget to smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So this is a wickless candle strategy. There is a bullish engulfer without no wick at the bottom, and there is a wick at almost zero wick at the top. Now the Gbpusd is trying to create an inverted head and shoulder, and what I think that, you see, there is a doji here, and this doji just touching the resistance line that you have drawn, right? What I think, another at any point on the monthly candles close today, tomorrow, and one candle will come back down, okay, like this, will test this 20 period moving average, will complete this inverted head and shoulder, and will create a higher low. You see, there is a low here with this doji, and I think that at some point, high probability that one candle will do like this, you know, something like that, will test this zone, will create, somehow it will do something like that, will complete this inverted head and shoulder, will test this 20 period moving average, and then Gbpusd will move from here. Okay, so if this is the case, then after this long candle is the perfect time for buying Gbpusd, using that candle as a stop loss, taking a big profit target at least to this level, which even can give you 1 to 5x to reward. That is how trading. And this long candle may happen in NFP even. Okay, that means that it may happen in NFP, and I will be waiting for that time frame. Okay, I need to see a candle like that testing this 20 period moving average, completing this inverted head and shoulder, and then as soon as that candle will show me enough rejection from the bottom, then I will send the trade signal to our VIP members, and I'll trade in my own account. Now if you want to receive that, you can join. There is a discount going on which is ending very soon. So this is what it is on Gbpusd. I don't think that in YouTube platform you can find anywhere better than this explanation, because I learn from hard work, I learn from my mistake, I learn spending hours, days, months of time studying the chart, researching the chart. Very few traders, the real trader you will find in the market, trust me. Most people will misguide you. Okay, the reason is it's not easy to be a trader. For those who are trading for some time, you know that what it is. Okay, you know what it is to be a trader. It's not easy, because trading is really hard, not because you don't see. Everybody understand the inverted head and shoulder. The problem is to absorb the negative energy created from trading. The sense I'm saying negative energy is because the emotion is really difficult to hold. I know every one of you is experiencing this. When a trade is going to losing, either by yourself or from other or from anyone, it's really difficult to absorb and to be positive at the same time, absorbing, not quitting, and again at the same time moving forward for an extended period of time until you become profitable. It's not easy. So that's why very few people can turn into a real trader, and I'm sure that everybody in this channel will become a trader, and already you are a trader. Don't say I will become a trader, always say I am a trader. Okay, I know that every one of you have enormous ability to become a trader, and you are a trader. Okay, this is there is a significance in saying in the present tense and past tense and in the future, because if you say, you see that if you say I will be a successful trader, your subconscious mind or your subconscious belief will form that you are not a trader. So once you are not a trader, there is nothing like a future. Okay, everything in the present moment. So once you say that I am a trader, it will feel different. Okay, your vibration will change. Your subconscious mind will take that command saying, okay, I'm a trader. That means that I'm a trader. Okay, let's trade. Okay, so yesterday or the day before yesterday, maybe I was watching a cartoon with my children, and in the cartoon there is a story, small story. It's very important, significant. I'll tell you. See, there was a cartoon. In the cartoon, there is a man or maybe a kid want to be funny. Okay, so the kid went to the other one. Man was saying that I want. Oh no, sorry, it's an onion. Okay, onion story. So onion want to be funny. Okay, let me tell you what it is. So onion wants to be funny. Okay, this is an onion, and onion wants to be funny because onion wants others to make laugh. So onion wants to one person saying that I wanna be funny, and that person saying, okay, wear a funny hat. Okay, and onion wear a funny hat, and then that person started to cry, and then onion got upset. Onion went to another person saying that I wanna be funny, and that person said, okay. Then wear a funny shoes. Okay, and then after saying that, that person started to cry, and then onion get upset, and like that onion went to many people. Everybody was saying something, that wear a shoes, wear a nice clothes, and finally one guy told that, okay, do something funny. If you wanna funny, do something funny, like that. Okay, that's what it is. If you wanna be a trader, then be a trader. Okay, so that means that if you say that I will be a trader, you will be like the onion, that you wanna be a trader. Be a trader means that act like a trader, then you will be a trader. Like the Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor, he said that do not waste your time by thinking what a good man should be one. So do not waste your time by thinking how to become a trader. Be one by adopting the habit of a trader. Okay, adopting the attitude of a trader, like this. So this is the GBPUSD. Now let's see what else we have. Let's see euro dollar. Okay, euro USD. Now euro USD, GBPUSD, same kind of pattern. Okay, it's bullish. All right, so let's see quickly the bigger picture, like the GBPUSD. Now euro dollar, you see the same thing, but the only thing is that GBPUSD and euro USD, the little bit of price action is different, but both are bullish. And I think that euro dollar will go up after the monthly close. We might see as like the GBPUSD, we might see little bounce, and then we will see an uprise, and I will be waiting for that little bounce first. Okay, I want to see either it is continuing from here or it might come for retracement. Okay, and then we'll go up. So I will be waiting for that retracement on euro dollar. So this is the monthly. You can say that it's bullish move may have started because the price bounced from the historical support line, okay, and we might see significant push to the upside. So weekly, back to back, we saw that 2 weeks rise. This week also the price just started, but I think it will continue to go up. Going to the daily, as usual, like the Gbpusd, but only my concern is this one. You see there is an imbalance in the market, okay. This trend line, draw this trend line, okay, and then draw this trend line, okay. So you see there is an imbalance in this zone. I will create a separate video on how to understand imbalance. So it could even be that after the monthly close, let me show you, okay, after the monthly close, even the price may come back to this zone to complete this imbalance. And if you look at the monthly, you see this is where exactly, this is where the imbalance, right? Normally if you see a candle like that, the next one may open with a gap and continue to go up, or may come down for a retracement to complete this imbalance and then will go up. So that is what my concern is. Once euro dollar will monthly candle will close, I will be waiting to see either it could do like this. You see there is a gap opening, the same thing here. You see after this monthly candle there is a gap opening and the price started to move up, or it could do something like this. You see after the monthly candle close, the next one came down for retracement and then started to move up. So that's my concern is if I see that the price is again coming down, okay, it turns into a bullish market now. So I will be waiting for this price to come to this zone and to see what it is doing. And I think that that's what it will do. Maybe probability that the price will come back to this imbalance zone. At the same time there is a 20 period moving average and then could go up, or it could rise up from here as well. So all this possibility we need to wait for the monthly candle close, and then we'll see what's happening, okay. So at this point we can consider it's bullish. So if you are trading on the very lower time frame, such as on the 15 minutes, so I will say that wait for the price to come back to this trend line. There is a trend line on the 15 minutes time frame as well. You see there is a local trend line. Let me draw this one here. This is the 15 minutes a long-term trend line, and I will tell that the price to come back to this trend line, and then could be a possibility to buy euro dollar, okay, on this trend line on the lower time frame, okay. So this is one possibility for euro dollar to be bullish. So it's bullish, okay, it's a clearly bullish market. So when you see this kind of bullish market, don't think for selling. Just a couple of things modifying, you can have a good trading opportunity. You see euro dollar, the way this candle is closing now, it's a bullish candle. Even after this one, if this one closes something like that, we might see another one is pushing high, okay. So let's say if you are trading on the 15 minutes, I think that even if the price come back to this zone from this level, could be a bullish opportunity, okay, a buying opportunity. Let me draw this one. So yeah, so from this zone could be, though it has created a pattern kind of head and shoulder, but I don't think it will affect, because you see the price is creating series of higher low and higher high. That's what you always need to care about, the market structure, okay. So when you see this, then wait for this price to come back to this trend line and to create this kind of pattern, and then from here go for a long opportunity. It's an educational content, so make sure you keep it educational. So on the 4 hour, it looks like that Let's see what happened when this candle is closing. So this one is euro dollar. Let's see what you guys and girls are thinking about double top Chindi. We have discussed it. Hopefully you understood. Inverted head and shoulder. Chadrick, very good. SM Abu Bakr, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. Zabil, the money maker, double top. Yeah, see, that's what it is. We see everybody seeing the same thing in a different way. Okay, so that's what the trading is. That's why there is a lot of opinion. There is a lot of buyer and seller, and the more accurate, like the more people saying the same thing, the price will move in that direction. So you always try to stay with the more people. I think head and shoulder. Okay, very good. You're absolutely right. No one is doing it like you. You are true trading wizard. Thank you, Entertainment TV. It's my job is to help trader. I feel peace inside. You know, there is a universal law. I don't know, many of you know. This is called the cause and effect. You know, cause and effect. I really experience this kind of things. Cause and effect. Okay. So cause and effect. In Sanskrit, if you translate this, it's called the law of karma, or some people is law of karma, you know. So what law of karma does, or law of cause and effect, is that what you will be doing to others will be done to you, no doubt about it. Okay, so that's why I try to be very, very cautious about my action, about my thinking, about my words. So the reason I do this is I know that the impact I will create on this channel, on the people, will come back to me. Okay, so that's why the reason is to help traders. So I am being helped. Okay, that's how the law works all the time. So what you will be doing to others will be done to you. So when I am helping others, I will receive help. When I will love others, I will receive love. When I will do bad to others, I will receive the bad. No doubt about it. Okay, so there is no, this is an universal law. Universal law means like the law of gravity. If you put something up, it will fall down. Okay, so similarly, cause and effect is an universal law, and everything works according to the law of the universe. It's one of them is cause and effect. So it's applicable to everybody. Okay, so let's see. Mahadir Atam, can you view WTA? Sorry, yeah, let's see. US oil, what's happening? I'm a trader, but I'm not a wizard yet. Rizban, you are also a wizard. Everybody is wizard. Just believe in yourself. I'm sure that you are a wizard too. I think nobody can earn money without hard work at Forex. SM Abu Bakr, yeah, that's true. Nobody can earn money without hard work, not only in Forex, in any area of your life. Without putting effort, nobody can earn money, you know. Nobody not only can earn money, you can't earn even a relationship, even anything. You can't earn anything without putting effort to it. So you can't have a good health, you can't have a good job, you can have a good house. You need to put effort, not only in Forex. I think that Forex needs less effort than anything else. The reason Forex looks hard, we quit very quickly. But if you compare it, let's say if you want to take a diploma, it takes 3 years, and after the diploma, even you people find it difficult to find a day job, you know, just to maintain their living expenses. So it's important that you understand Forex is when you have a little capital, you have a good skill, you can make a full-time even earning. So that's why I teach you need to have a strategy. You need to know the market. You need a mentor as well. So that's why it comes to mentorship program, and I keep my mentorship program, trust me, very, very cheap in comparison with the value I give to my students. You can check it out in the description area, where you will find enormous value, where you will receive trade signal and also learn my strategies, and also some more new strategies coming on the website. you will have a lifetime access if you choose that plan. So it's your turn to check it out. So I think nobody can earn money. Okay. Gold price will smash the like button. Samir, thank you for your invitation, smashing the like button. So thank you for that. So let's see what's happening with NZD USD. Now look at, guys and girls, so same thing. You see Gbpusd and NZD USD has done the same thing. Okay, same kind of pattern. Okay, so this is a bullish pattern. NZD USD and Gbpusd and euro dollar, bullish pattern. But I think that we'll do the same thing. We'll create this pattern, we'll come back one candle, and then we'll think for going buying NZD USD. So Shane asks, what will gold do, bro? Okay, let's go back to gold again. So what I'm thinking, bro, that gold will do is, gold now moving in a sideways. Okay, I think that it will fall down first, okay, somewhere along this zone, and then will go bullish. I think so, because the way weekly candle is formed is, I don't think that gold will go up from here. Instead, first it will come down to this zone and then will go up. So with all that being said, go to the daily. Now daily price action is still looks like it's creating a higher high and higher low, but currently until monthly candle close, I will not do anything, bro, because gold is this price action is not nice price action. Okay, some price action are nice. If you look at, let's say, what is a nice price action, you might say, well, let me show you. Let's say Aussie yen. Okay, it's a nice price action. Why? Look at this price action. The price came to the level of support and then bounced, and then look at this. Every time the price is creating a series of higher low and then pushing high, it's a long-term bullish market. So long-term bullish, short-term bullish, the price is creating a nice bullish pattern. But if you look at this one here, okay, where is the one that we are talking about? Gold. Okay, it looks like that gold is gold is going in a sideways. So what I think that gold will do, until the monthly candle close, it might go in a sideways, and then it will have a spike down and then will go up. So if that's the case, then it could even come to this zone, to this level, okay, and then may start to push up, and my target is here. Okay, you see this red doji, I think that gold will come to this zone, to this level, let's say 1836.35 after the monthly candle close or at some point, and then we'll create a bullish pattern. So as of it's in a sideways, I'm not interested on gold at the moment. Let this news release. Okay, so this is what happened when there is an a non-farm employment change, non-farm payroll or NFP. Gold always in a sideways until it creates the spike during this NFP, and then traders started to trade. Be patient. Okay, that's what trading is. You have to be patient. All right, unless you are trading on 1 minute or 5 minutes. You see the price is 1854, 1855, maybe ages doing like that. If you go to the, let's say, 5 minutes chart, see what the kind of price action it is creating. It's a horrible price action starting from here. Look at this. This is on 27th of May, 27th of May, right? This is the date on 27th of May. Look at this. So from 27th of May, the price is moving in this narrow range. Let me tell you. You see, so the range at some point we saw a little spike, but the range is where on average 1850 to 1860. Okay, $10 range. So you now just at the middle. So you have to be patient. Okay, because we cannot force the market. If you force the market, then you will actually force yourself to lose money. Don't force the market, be patient. When the market will give you a trading opportunity, you will see it. How do you see it? Look at the Gbpusd trade that I have seen and I have given in this live stream with this doji, and also NZD-USD trade that we finished last week, also you have seen in this live stream. Okay, you see, when on the daily I have seen this doji, you see this kind of trade you need to wait for. So when I saw this daily green doji, this is a bullish doji, okay, created an inverted head and shoulder, okay, a nice looking green doji. It's a bullish pattern and the price did according to analysis. Okay, it has to do. This is Forex Wizard. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also go to the description area if you want to learn my strategy and also want to see everything in the website. If you want to consider joining, there is a discount going on. It's almost at the end, so you can take that opportunity. So Shane Fulchan, do you think that gold can reach 1858? It's already there, 1858. It's 55. It's not 1858. Let me see, 1858 or 1885. What is your question? 1858 is here. It's almost there. I think you're talking about 1885, isn't it? Could be the 1885. Let me check. Yeah, could go 1885. If it's bullish, then it might go even more than this. Okay, it might go even 1900 something. Okay, but first let's the monthly candle close. Okay, because monthly, you see the price bounce from this monthly support. Okay, so let's the monthly candle close and then I will update you. Okay, so let's see a Nasdaq 100. I got a request before for Nasdaq 100. This is the monthly candle. I think that's what I told, that this monthly candle likely to close as a doji. Now this is the monthly. We saw a doji on the monthly. Let's see on the weekly. Weekly we have seen a very strong bullish candle. What I think that the price now will just little drop from here. Okay, from this resistance. You see there is a wickless candle on the weekly time frame. Let me see, daily will drop or okay. So what looks like that, pardon me, not dropping, looks like that the price is highly bullish now. Okay, so let me draw the zone. So this is the weekly time frame. There is a gap here, okay, on the weekly, and the price just closed above this gap. The next one started from here, right? Daily. Okay, so it could possible that the price just moving from here, because indices looks very strong. Okay, so what my approach will be, you see there is a big move. After this kind of move, we might see slow retracement. If the price come back to this zone, create couple of dojis, could be a nice opportunity to buy on the lower time frame. Okay, so let the price first, maybe this 20 period moving average could be a nice buying opportunity. Okay, so this is the hourly chart. If it come back to this 20 period moving average, shows enough price action, could be an opportunity to buy NAS 100. Okay, so this one is with NAS 100. Let me know if anybody want to see US 100 or 30. Okay, Tarun Gautam, sir, USD CHF please. I am in sell trade 0.9588. Okay, we'll look at it. Dollar yen, sir, please. Okay, we'll look at it. Dollar yen. Hassan Sabah, sharing is caring. Yeah, very good. Yeah, absolutely. When you have a really small account, in which time frame should you trade? Okay, Rizban, if you have a really smaller account, what I will say that don't worry about the time frame. Okay, if anybody has a smaller account, I would suggest you focus on learning. Okay, if you have a smaller account, if you want to make money from that account, chances that you might blow that account. The reason is, see, I don't want to show you a false hope that turn $50 into 50,000, turn $100 into 100,000. By watching this, you'll just waste your time and money. As a matter of fact, the truth is that if you have a smaller account, you will gain smaller. Okay, see, come back to reality. Okay, either I get too many subscribers or 0 subscriber. I will tell the truth. As I told you, I believe in law of karma. What I will tell you will come back to me. If I misguide you, the universe will misguide me. So what I'm saying that if you have a smaller account, then why you should trade? That's the question. Is the reason is you will be trading. Learn the skill with the smaller account. Okay, make yourself believe that with this smaller account you can make money. Okay, that is the real trading. So once you have a smaller account, see, once you gain the confidence, money will come from many sources. Trust me. Once you are a trader, let's say, let me tell you something. Let's say you are a skilled surgeon. Okay, you can do surgery, anyone. Okay, anyone's heart, lung, whatever. Skilled surgeon. Do you think that do you need a single dollar to earn thousands of dollars? No. You are a good surgeon. That's it. You don't need any money. Let's say you are a pilot. Okay, you can skillfully drive a airplane, but you don't have a single dollar. Do you think that you need to buy $1 billion to buy an airplane to drive it? Many people will give you airplane. Ride my airplane. Like this. Once you develop the skill set as a trader, it's much more worthy than the money you will earn. Okay, let's say you have a $100 trading account. Okay, you wanna make $200 and you are losing all of them. You are going through stress, you are going through, and then you are quitting. But use that $100 to give you a worthy skill that will give you a direction in life. Once you develop the skill set, because $1 million trading account, $100 trading account, same way you will trade it, right? So if you have a smaller account, forget about earning money. Focus on learning, becoming a trader using that $100. There will be a lot of way will open when you develop the skill set. Okay, all this is coming from the lack of confidence, because once you are profitable in $100, you will see millions of eyes open inside you that oh there is a fund here, there is a fund here. Okay, so be patient and learn, focus on learning, and then you can become who you want to be. Okay, that's the truth. And also Usdjpy is in buying. Yeah, all JPY pairs looks bullish. Like JPY looks bearish. Most of them look bullish. Qasim Raza Oro. So Wisdom. Hello sir, which broker do you use? Okay, Wisdom. Hello, you can use Blueberry Market, Wisdom Hulu. The link in the description. You can get 20% trade credit if you use that link. Blueberry Market is regulated and their spread is low, and also you can have their customer service is very good. They are regulated and your money will be in safe hand. Dollar. So let's look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is bullish. As I told you, if you look at the monthly time frame, you see this is the monthly time frame, and once looks like that this monthly candle is even might be closing as a doji here. Okay, and then we might see that dollar yen going up, and that is what I exactly told in my weekly forex forecast. I told from here, but it's started to move from up, and also I kept an option that it might even go from here, because when the market is bullish, it is what it is. So going to the weekly, you see after the previous 3 weeks slow retracement, dollar yen started to go up and likely to go up. Okay, so going to the daily, it's a bullish price action, guys and girls. So on the daily we saw that the price has created this higher low and then started to push up. So at this point, where is the best place to enter a trade? Maybe question is, okay, so what we see that dollar yen basically has broken this dynamic trend line. Okay, you see there is a dynamic trend line here. Okay, there is a dynamic trend line, and what I think that dollar yen at some point will come for a retracement to this zone, and that is where the buying opportunity will come. I will wait. I don't think that dollar yen will just move like that. Okay, shouldn't do like that. It should come for retracement, even retest of this zone, of this previous resistance and support. Let me draw it clearly. So retest of this previous resistance as a support. Okay, and then from here we'll look for going long dollar yen. Okay, so most pairs against yen looks bullish. So going to some other pairs, so let's see USD CNHS, USD Mexican peso. That's what I expected. It's broke down. It's a support is broken. I think it will come a lot. Let's see. So dollar yen we discussed. GBP JPY, let's see. All the pairs, as I told you, against see GBP JPY, this is the monthly. GBP is weaker, but against JPY is also bullish. Going to the daily, it's bullish. Okay, so 4 hour nicely bullish market. So it's a nice bullish market. You see the price has created a higher low, series of higher low, and then from this resistance it's broken. Now wait, I will be waiting for a slow retracement to the downside and then consider going long with GBP JPY. I'm waiting for a proper entry point on yen pair. So until the monthly close, I may not trade in any pairs, but only accept yen pair, because yen pair may give us a nice trading opportunity. All the yen pairs giving us very nice trading opportunity, including Euro JPY, AUD JPY, all bullish. Okay, dollar yen all bullish. Don't think to sell. Okay, dollar yen is highly bullish. You see, strongly moving to the upside, and I think that it will just maybe shoot up like that. Okay, because this monthly candle might close here. Okay, so it's a strongly bullish market, dollar yen. Okay, guys and girls, so I am almost at the end of my live streaming. I hope that everybody found value in this live streaming. As you have seen that I have given so many ideas that's really valuable. I think if you think so, then that's definitely you'll smash the like button, and also you'll subscribe to the channel. And also if you wanna learn my strategy and also join my VIP team, you can visit the link in the description to see my website. At the same time, if any one of you need a trusted regulated broker, you can use the link in the description area to open an account with Blueberry Market. To get 20% trade credit, you can use that link. And also if any one of you want to get a funded account, the link in the description area, you can get a funded account in 24 hours, and you can use that link to get 30% off in your first plan. So this is it. Hopefully guys and girls, you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and also press that bell notification. Also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow same time in this live streaming. Until then, happy trading, and also don't forget to manage your risk, and also don't forget to join me live NFP trading next week, next day after tomorrow. Thank you. See you soon.